Davido say follow who no road to make you for see road. Yes, that one na truth. Blind man no go fit lead blind man. Na who dey see road na go fit lead blind man well. So you wey no know wetin dey, you wey no know what's up, follow person wey go put you in the right track so that the light wey dey shine reach where that person dey, you yourself, the reflection go see dey reach where you dey. In that way, things go dey easy. You will be able to dey connected. You will be able to see yourself that if this person can make it, this person go be the role model to you. You understand? Now be all this follow uno road prover. Anyway, as I use the search for inside social media, now so I take come across this video when I go watch now, where Davido and his crew they go pay visit to Ned Nwoko. Many of you know who be Ned Nwoko now, one of Nigeria billionaire wey get married to Nollywood actress Regina Daniel. Few weeks ago, 9 days, Regina Daniel gave birth to a baby boy for this husband. Ever since where two of them take get married, things have been going well for them, as we dey see am for social media. And when this man never married to Regina Daniel, so many Nigeria people no really know this man. Okay, but ever since when they don't take get married together, because Regina Daniel na person wey be say she dey add fame, so na Nigeria celebrities. So with her fame, this her husband Ned Nwoko can't get fame through Regina Daniel. Una know now, they say nothing goes for nothing. Regina Daniel, as people talk and say, now because of money, now he make her get married to Ned Nwoko and leave her ex-boyfriend, which they say that they call Samadina. Okay, these days, una know say nobody want to suffer. No girl want to see a billionaire and see say, oh, now this guy wey see the struggle dey follow, na him wan just stay with forever. Some girls, they no even send you immediately, they just sit that one wey be billionaire, even though na dey for years, they go just put you for aside, follow the billionaire. They don't even care if you be that guy wey be say you get vision, you get dream. So many of our Nigeria girls these days, they don't even really bother. So far you get money, they go follow you. So that is why you, as a young guy, be so serious, be so focused, be a guy that have a vision, so that tomorrow one girl no go come out, leave you, follow another billionaire. So now, so the whole matter be, Regina Daniel can't get married to this her husband, and they have been doing well, and they look so very happy. Ever since then, the fact see the fame that they always they cause traffic for inside social media platform. Right now, Davido and his crew, they can't go visit them. Now see, money is your power. When money talks, bullshit stops. Just imagine if Ned Nwoko not get money now, Davido go talk say one carry visit, go meet am for house. He no go do. You see, billionaires with billionaires. Now this one that they call billionaires club, billionaires gang. In fact, my people, money is good. Make una forget all this rubbish where some people go tell you say money not be everything. First of all, make money first. When person go they tell you say money not be everything, you go hear am. You go know say yes, it makes sense. It not be say you never make money. Somebody they tell you say money is not everything. I beg, not let that person use his or her own to come to spoil your own. No. Make you not focus and make money. Make you now watch this video and see what I'm talking about, my people.
So,
the white nylon. All right, you take.
so. Let's go. Let's go. Shake me.
Follow no road.
Follow no road. Wait for C road.
So my people, now don't watch this video now. Now say Ned Nwoko, it don't become big celebrities now. Hey, money too good oh, money too good. Oyibo wey talk and say money is your power. E no be lie oh. If you get money, now you don't even dey waste time. People like you, they go just want make dem dey connected with you. Just imagine if you say Ned Nwoko no be billionaire where e be. Una think say Davido go just pack e crew follow body make dem go visit this billionaire. E no go happen. So because of say Davido don see say this man got job, this man e money long, e money no be here. You understand? Now make Davido say as e be say e na see billionaire gang where e be also. Make he see go greet Ned Nwoko, Regina Daniel husband, you know. So this is so very beautiful, and that's it. So this one just kind of make us know say Nigeria, now when you get money, now you go fit get connected with people that matters. If you not get money, what they come say make you do now? It not be some of our Nigeria people photo, because if they come they see the way some of our Nigeria youths, it not be their fault. If they see the way where all those billionaires and young Nigeria celebrities take they use money, hey, now how those things they tempt them, where they go they carry girls, go they do some kind all sort of things to the extent they'll begin to look for blood money ritual where they want do, where they'll take make money, and at the end of the day, money where they go make through all those money ritual, you go even put their own life for danger. If they not come fit meet up with all the sacrifice where they say make they do, you don't see say wahala don't come. So make you just relax. Also, do re-hustle. You understand? When you go for re-hustle, work hard, learn work, do something where you know say you go take make money through legit way. All this billionaire money, you know, be only one day they just say make, and they start from somewhere. So any work where you they work or business where you they do, the little money where go they make there. Now you go fit become also whoever you want to be tomorrow. So young Nigeria youth, where they over too desperate because of all the lifestyle where Nigeria celebrities they live, make una take them easy. Wait for your time. Wait for your time. It is better you take it easy than for you to end up doing what you don't supposed to do, all because of you want to make money. Money where you go see, money where you go see make, you know, get peace of mind. You go they run from scatter to scatter. You know go fit sleep well. In fact, the kind tension, the kind BP where some of una where they do all this ritual money they get, it not be here. Wait patiently. Everybody gets their own time. Don't say because if they see all these Nigeria celebrities, you want just begin go they look for one way or the other where you want to make money by fire by force. That one not going to even help you. Not go help you. So my people, to conclude it all, money is good. Money is the power that everybody have. Yes, so if you don't get money, you see, you don't get what you they talk. No, don't see now say na billionaire talk to billionaire. Davido na billionaire. Ned Nwoko na billionaire. Many of them like that. All of them know as they connect. So at the end of the day, may God help all his children and just be contented with what you have. Not say because if they look the lifestyle of all those billionaire or Nigeria celebrities, when you go put your hand for waiting go cause you pain, waiting go cause you problem. Please go for real also. Go for real legit way to make money. All those billionaires when they look so, all of them they work so hard. Honestly, billionaire work so hard, You not go ever see billionaire where be say they work so hard for their money. Like all these Yahoo boys where go they do Yahoo and all of those things. They see say that money they last with them. No, it's not they last with them. Money where you will be Yahoo boy make through human being, I go fit last for you. It go hard. So work in a legit way so that you will enjoy your money, and God will just open way for you. So anyway, my people, as I come across this now, say, make I still bring this gist come for now, so that una go know say Nigeria these days now people talk to people, billionaires talk to billionaires. That is what they call billionaires club. So thank you very much. Put your comment what you think about this video and press the like button. See you in my next video.